Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Instagram on iPhone. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Instagram and then tap on the search button on your keyboard. Once the Instagram app appears in the search list, tap on it to open its details page. Finally, on the Instagram app's details page, tap on the Get button. If you have previously downloaded the app, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards. Tap on it to download the app. And that's it. This is how you can download and install Instagram on iPhone. Thank you for watching Web Solutions. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.